Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start picking your keywords. These are the keywords that you'll be using within your website content. No tool can tell you which keyword to pick. That's why there are a few more steps to take before finally picking the keyword that you are going to use. First, you want to look at the search volume. The perfect keyword will be high in search volume with a ranking difficulty which is not too high. It also needs to, of course, be relevant to the content on your page. When picking your keyword, you first want to look at the search volume, as of course, if 0 people are searching for it, there is no reason to try and rank for it. Every niche is different, so it's down to you to research the optimum search volume for a keyword in your particular niche. You should go back to some of the keyword research tools that we have looked at, and then pick out the keywords that have a good amount of monthly searches. So here is Ubersuggest. This is the keyword research tool I am going to be using. To find the search volume for a particular keyword, I am simply going to enter my keyword into the tool, select my country and language, and then click search. And then once again, close any pop-ups. And here I can see my search volume. This is the number of searches that this particular keyword receives per month. If I scroll down and look at the keyword ideas and then click view all, here we have loads more relevant keyword ideas, and all of them have their volume as well. So you can easily see the search volume for your keywords using this tool, but you can also use many other tools which we have talked about. Google Trends. Next, you should look at Google Trends. With this free tool by Google, you can see if your keyword is currently gaining or losing traction. You'll just need to enter your keyword and then you can filter by country, time range, and more. You can also use it to compare 2 keywords side by side, so then you can pick which one has a higher search volume. This is incredibly helpful as it shows whether or not a keyword currently has high traffic and whether it is or isn't currently trending. Google Trends also has some other features that you should try, including interest by region, related topics, and related queries. So here we have Google Trends. To use this tool, you first want to enter your keyword at the top and then click on the search term which appears. This will automatically search for the keyword within the tool, and here you can select to compare this keyword with another keyword, and you can also filter by country, time, categories, and also which search platform you want to get data from. So we have normal web search, image, news, shopping, and also YouTube. We're going to leave this all as it is at the moment, and we can see that the interest over time for this keyword is pretty stable. As I have searched for United States in the countries, we can also see the interest by sub-region. So we have the different states that search for this search term or keyword, whatever you want to call it. So Oregon and Colorado are at the top just here, but they are all pretty close in ranking. And then at the bottom here, we have related topics and related queries down here. So this is some very helpful information. If you are not in the United States, you can actually select a different country just here, or even select worldwide if that is what you want. There you go. Now we can have information for worldwide, and we can see the different countries that search for this term the most. We have United States, Canada, and the UK as well. If you want to compare this keyword with another, you can simply click compare and add another keyword. So I'm going to take one of these related queries, organic raw dog food. I will click these 3 dots and then click add to comparison. And now it's going to compare the 2 keywords to each other with the search volume and other data that Google has. And I can even select a different time period as well. Let's select past 30 days. So that shows you the interest over 30 days for this particular keyword. So this is Google Trends. Once again, it's free and it's also made by Google, so you know all of the data is completely accurate. Next, you want to take a look at the click-through rate or the CTR for your keyword. How can you calculate your click-through rate? Let's say you organically rank on the first page of results for a keyword that gets 500 searches per month on Google. If 50 people per month click on your listing in the search results, your organic click-through rate will be 10%. The organic click-through rate is the amount of people who click onto your page after seeing it on the search results. The click-through rate calculation is monthly keyword searches divided by clicks onto your page. The final number will be your click-through rate percentage. To improve your click-through rate, it is important to carefully optimize your page title and your meta description, as these are the first things users will see when looking at your page in search results. Before you use a keyword, you want to search for it in Google to see if there are any ads or featured snippets. If there are, your potential click-through rate will be lowered because ads and featured snippets are more enticing to search engine users, so they are more likely to click onto them instead of onto your page. Cost per click. Now let's talk about the cost per click, or CPC. The cost per click tells you if people searching your keyword are spending money. You can easily see the cost per click for a keyword by using a keyword research tool. The cost per click is the price that advertisers are paying Google for every single click that their advert gets. So if it's quite high, they must have a reason for spending a high amount of money per click, and more often than not, it is because their target market are spending a lot of money. So here I am back using the Ubersuggest tool to find the cost per click data for my keyword. The keyword I have entered is organic dog food once again, and as you can see right here, this is the average cost per click that an advertiser pays for this keyword. So this is $2.58 for every single click onto an advert. You must understand that the cost per click data can vary quite a lot depending on the niche that your business is in. For example, the price of product or service that you offer. Say for example you sell dog food and the average product costs $10 to $20. You're not going to want to spend more than $2 or $3 per click on an advert, as otherwise you will not be making any money. Now let's take a look at the cost per click data for home insurance, and as you can see, it is much higher because home insurance is a much more expensive niche than dog food. And the reason why is quite simple. The cost of home insurance is much more expensive than the cost for dog food. So usually the cost per click data will be higher if the cost for the product or service which is being advertised is also higher. Hopefully that's nice and easy to understand. Competition. And the final piece of the puzzle when picking your keyword is to take another look at the competition or ranking difficulty. When you have a new website, you want to start by ranking for keywords with low search competition. This will help to increase your website's authority in search engines. Doing this will give you a strong base to help you rank for more competitive keywords. But don't forget that high quality and relevant content will always be the key to your success. That's all for this video. Let us know if you need any help, and we will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.